Might have sent it a little too hard. When I got done with my last run there, it's just kind of running weird, a little hot. It was breaking up top, but I don't think this issue has to do with that. But we got it on the trailer, and I noticed a little puddle underneath of it. Couldn't tell if it was oil or what. Got home, unloaded it, found out it's coolant. So we got a little bit of coolant leaking out. I did a little Googling, experts. Saw that a guy had a problem with a car just like it. We went for a high-speed run. It was leaking, and a hose had pushed out and rubbed on the alternator belt. So I had to get under here, see what's going on. I've took the strap door off. It's right here already. All right, there's the alternator. Oh, I see a line. Maybe touching that. Oh. Oh my goodness, how do you even get into that? Oh, I see it. There's a hose burnt, resting right on the alternator pulley. Huh. Oh. I have to pop the intake. Pull their intake out, alright. Stay tuned. Oh. Gosh, darn good. Oh my goodness. Water, hornets. Really, one bolt holds this whole fucking thing in? Yep. There it is. The feed line or return feed. I don't know. There's two going in. This one going down right here. Oh, squirter. This is not the end of the world, but it's still kind of a pain to change. Phew. I really thought this thing was pooched. I was not feeling good about that. That's not that bad. The thing it is bad though is I want to change the spark plugs. That looks like a pain in the ass. If they made it easy, everyone would do it, right? Alright, my plan is to cut that hose at the rub and put this elbow, or this pipe joint in there I found. I think it's close. Might be a little too big. I don't know, we're gonna see. Whoa, yeah. Well, I ain't gonna go in there, folks. God damn it. Whoa, look out. Well, there's the culprit. Pooched. And my joint that I had is too big, so I'm gonna have to go to the parts store, so stay tuned, alright? Alright, day 2. We got hose clamps. We got hose couplers. We're gonna try to get that back on that. And go wrap. No problem with this. Don't do it. Crude. Huh? Talking to myself, talking to the viewers. Oh, what was that? Got it in there. Hose clamp, pipe joint. Hopefully that holds. We're about to find out. that, suck that down quick. Put some more of this in there. Oh boy. No funnel.
Look at that. Look at that. Hardly any shaking.
Let's piss them off one more time. Only the finest gas station pantyhose. Well, I think that little repair worked. I don't kind of like how it's pulling on the hose, but it's so funny hearing this thing in quiet mode. So regular. Ooh, what is that? Mustang? He looked. He was looking until he saw me looking. Yes. So I can't strip this. Alright, gotta make sure this is all lined up. Because when I got this intake had gotten dislodged somehow from itself. It was not really sealing around the filter. Alright, intake's back on, all that good stuff. Fluid level looks good still. Alright, we'll take this for a test drive at some point. I hope that did it. Oh, I'm gonna do the plugs. I gotta do the plugs. Ugh, plugs. Baby. Oh my Lanta, this thing pulls. Oh my Jeebus. Sweet baby Jeebus. She kind of sputtered.